Hey gang, hey Norbert, welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. I'm standing here in front of the St. Louis Science Center, our museum partner for this show. This Science Center is a 232,000 square foot 3-building facility that's connected by a bridge in a tunnel. It contains 11 galleries, over 650 exhibits, an Omnimax theater, planetarium, discovery room, and live science presentations. In a moment, we're going to go inside to meet the students from the Compton-Drew Investigative Learning Center and the AIAA student chapter from the University of Washington, St. Louis. These students are going to highlight for us the web-based activity which complements this NASA Connect video program. But first, let's take a quick flyby of Norbert's online lab. There are a couple of areas of this lab worth investigating. Teachers, the Lab Manager section is designed especially for you. Here you will find scenarios and tools for integrating NASA Connect's web activity into the classroom. Another excellent resource for integrating technology efficiently into the curriculum is ePAL's Classroom Exchange. As a Connect partner, it offers free web-based email and an online classroom community of over 130 countries with whom you might communicate and collaborate on class projects, such as those projects suggested in the Connect programs. Well, here we are now inside the St. Louis Science Center and waiting and ready to take us into the wild blue yonder of the internet. And this Connect Show's web activity are our guest middle and university students. The web module that they will share has been contributed by Princeton University's Interactive Plasma Physics Education Experience, or IPEX.
IPEX has created several interactive physics modules, including one on electricity and magnetism. This module will introduce you to many of the basic concepts involved with electricity and magnetism, like static charge, moving charge, voltage, resistance, and current. This site combines multimedia with built-in interactive exercises to help you better understand the concepts. For instance, you can rub a balloon on a wool sweater to learn about static electricity. Use a slider bar to see what happens with similar charges on balloons. Build and complete a circuit.
So there you have it. Take a website, add interactivity, subtract complexity, and multiply excitement. The E-solution is simple. Norbert's Online Lab. It's where education clicks. Bringing to you the power of digital learning, I'm Shelley Canwright for NASA Connect Online.